How to find or access the archived chats on ChatGPT. First thing first, simply go ahead and open up your Play Store or App Store and make sure that you have the application ChatGPT. Now, from here, you just have to open it up. And if you have previously archived any chats, you won't see them on your chat section if you just swipe right or if you just tap on the two lines at the top left. And to access your archived chats, you first need to head over here and then simply tap on your name or profile. Then from here, you're going to have to simply go ahead and tap on data controls to see if here are your archived chats. And now under chat history, you'll have view archived chats or archive chat history. So just tap on view archive chats, and then here you'll be able to see your archive chats. And if you want to unarchive them, you can tap on unarchive, or if you want to delete them, you could do that as well. So let me just unarchive this one right here, the weather. So if I go back, as you can see here, I have this weather update that was previously archived. And that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.